A college student charged with drug crimes, what makes that a particularly stressful and intimidating situation for those guys who may, or gals who may be 18 to kind of 24 years old, perhaps in college or in tech school or just starting their careers with a bright future ahead of them, and they are facing a drug offense in Newnan, Georgia, or Carrollton or anywhere else. But what is so scary about that situation? Well, it very well may be, right, that they don't want to be a felon. They don't want to lose their scholarship. They don't want to lose their student housing or their friends or their future, right? They want to make sure that they are not a convicted felon, that they can pursue that career they want, and that a decision they made when they're 19 or 20 years old doesn't prevent them from chasing their dreams. And that is certainly a scary situation to be facing if you are someone that kind of fits that category. You're faced with drug crimes and you're worried about what the future may be like for you. But there are a number of things in the Coweta Circuit we can do for someone who may have just had one bad decision or one bad day. There are things like conditional discharge and first offender treatment, which can, although maybe resulting in probation, prevent a felony conviction and prevent someone from having that mark on the record for the rest of their lives. There's also, in certain situations, things like pretrial diversion, where if someone, I call it kind of probation light, where you still have to do some certain things. You may have to do community service. You may have to pay a fine. You may have to do some of those things. But if you do, the case could even be dismissed at the end. We're very passionate at our firm about protecting people's future. Our purpose is to protect life and liberty and the pursuit of happiness, and we do that by defending those accused of drug crime. So if you find yourself in that situation, call us, talk to us about your case. Let us help you decide if first offender or conditional discharge or pretrial diversion is something that can be helpful to you in your case.